good afternoon to Doctor and my fellow friends. Today we are from Group 8 going to present about LINEAGE Logistics. Myself, my name is Nitianandan Jayashanker. So first we see about the introduction of the company. So LINEAGE Logistics is an international warehousing and a logistic management company and an industrial real estate investment trust owned by a Bay Group LLC. So the headquarters located at Novi Mission, United States. The number of employees is 17,000 for now, and then founded on April 18, 2012, and then they started as a single warehouse on 2018, and then they grow up on 2012. The subsidiaries of LINEAGE Logistics is Hussin Cold Storage LLC and UTI. So the forwarding is Cutthroat STL and Crystal Creek Logistics LLC. When we see the type of the business, they are privately held company. LINEAGE operates over 340 facilities in 15 countries with over 16,500 dedicated employees. So LINEAGE customer included Walmart, Tyson, and McDonald in 2018. So in 2018 also, LINEAGE redesigned warehouse rack to store up 25% to 40% more product in the same amount of space. Next slide will be going to present by my friend.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chung Wei Qi. I will present about the import activity. For import activity is including receiving, quality control, put away, and storage activity. For the receiving activity, receiving is the first process of warehousing and one of the most critical process to perform the extensive process properly. The warehouse must be able to verify that the product quality, condition, and time received are correct. This makes the warehouse responsible for taking care of the condition of the goods before shipping. Linear logistics should be able to confirm that it has received the right product in the right quantity, the right condition, and at the right time. For the second one is quality control activity. Quality control is a process through which a business seeks to ensure the product quality is maintained or improved. In linear logistics, need to detect between meeting in minimum standard or going above and beyond, developing best-in-class practice of combination quality and maximize into food safety. For the third one is put away. Put away refer to all the warehouse process that happen between receiving a supply of goods from a vendor and having it all stored away in warehouse. A typical put away process start with placing a purchase order with your vendor. Linear logistic will use a forklift and pallet jack to place the product in a suitable storage area. The last one is storage activity. Storage is the process of putting goods into the most suitable storage space in the warehouse. If done correctly, the storage process can make full use of the space available in the warehouse and increase labor efficiently. Linear logistic efficient warehouse management system ensure the product get to market as promised and give customer the visibility needs along the way. So that's all for me. I will pass to my group mate.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Aisyah Malik. My metric number is 273130. So, outbound activities are associated with customer service and distribution channels. Outbound activities are those that deal with the management, sale, and transportation of finished goods to end users. The first one is the picking stage is critical for lineage logistics because the goods will be separate based on the location of the end user. Picking is a warehouse process that has a significant impact on the productivity and capacity of the lineage logistics supply chain. Lineage logistic warehouse workers must use a variety of material handling equipment for the various types of goods stores in each facility. Warehouses would be divided into zones based on whether the picking activity is human or automated. Lineage logistics is automating high throughput areas of the warehouse, and lineage logistics is also installing a layer picker machine and multiple automated guided vehicles, which is AGVS, to reduce the amount of labor involved in the picking process. Next, the goods will be routed to the sorting stage, which will optimize the material flow for maximum efficiency. Sortation and warehouse automation play a significant role in increasing the efficiency of any order fulfillment or materials handling operation, owing to the fact that sortation touches every aspect of what we do. Efficiency allows for cost savings on materials and labor. It allows for the processing of as many orders as possible during the day, and it also allows for the production of more goods and shipment of them to more customers. Lineage logistics sorting stage can observe the flow of items in and out of the warehouse, as well as the placement of items in their final position in the warehouse to be set down. All goods placed inside the storage area will be placed on conveyors, which will be sorted according to each specific order. Packing is the next critical step before shipping the goods to the end user. Lineage Logistics use cutting-edge packaging equipment to meet the needs of the most discerning retail and food service customers. In addition, their quality control team meticulously monitors and records all stages of the operation to ensure that customer specifications are met. Lineage warehousing service, in conjunction with their packaging operations, create significant supply chain efficiency while also lowering customers' total production and distribution costs. Apart from that, the warehouse packaging system must ensure that the goods are securely stored and packed, as well as assist workers in detecting and quickly correcting manufacturing defects before they are delivered to end customers. The final step is shipping, which ensures that end customers receive the goods they order. Every shipment will be labeled with a consignment number as a reference to both the customer and the warehouse. A number of factors influence which goods are exported to other countries and who may accept such shipments. It is critical to complete product selection and documentation prior to shipping. Lineage has the skill and expertise to get the product from point A to point B, whether they are picking it up or delivering it. However, regardless of the distance or mode of transportation used across land or sea, Lineage will get the product to its destination safely, efficiently, and on time. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Yap Ka Yang, matrix number 269933, and next I will continue the reverse logistic activities in lineage logistic. Lineage logistic adopt a successful reverse logistic strategy can profit from a variety of advantages. The first benefit is to cut expenses by least scheduling for returns and ensuring the return sequence is correct. The another importance is to provide a faster service, considers the original carriage of product and the refund or restore of the goods. The third advantage is to handle the errors wisely, may bring a result of customer retention, and the last benefit can help the companies to alleviate the losses and unplanned profits through repairing and refueling the items. In the event of faulty items, the companies will substitute the products or provide comparable goods and pay the related costs on it. If the problem of defective services occurs, Lineage Logistics have to provide the services once more and bear the cost of resupplying the services. 30 days of return goods services are provided by the companies by filling out the e-form or directly dial to the customer services. Lineage Foundation for Goods has been established in 2021 to eradicate the issue of food waste and assist Feed the World with the aims to establish a continuous relationship between food producers and people truly need it, allowing for the distribution of safe, high quality food that will otherwise go to waste. That's all from me. And next, I will pass to next member. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Abid Ali and my is 260.19. First of all, I would like to continue your presentation with safety and security aspects. So first of all, what is warehouse safety? Warehouse safety is a set of regulatory guidelines in industry best practices to help warehousing personnel ensure a safe working environment and reinforce safe behavior when working in a warehouse. For sustainable warehouse operation, health and safety should be prioritized. So for safety purpose, we have to use personal protective equipment, which should be tailored to your warehouse condition and which may include safety vests, steel toy boards, and hand help. Make safe material handling the norm. Use power equipment or their own bodies to move material. They should obey these material handling safety rules. Always use safe lifting techniques, and when carrying object, be sure you can see over the load. At Lineage Logistics keep its spaces uncultured by both inventory and waste to allow for safe fire exit. We regularly check electrical system for proper function and eliminating fault codes, prohibiting smoking, and keeping the HVAC heating system up to date, and prohibit the use of heat producing equipment. Next slide, please. Next, we have material handling and other in a warehouse. So material handling refers to the storage, control, protection, and movement of product and material throughout warehouse consumption, manufacturing, disposal, and distribution. Many kinds of equipment and systems exist, from manual to fully automated options to help conduct material handling. Using material handling is crucial for making sure a supply chain runs well. Types of material handling. To understand what material handling equipment is and how it is used, we should know the four primary types of material handling. The first one we have is storage and handling equipment, second automated system, and third industrial trucks and forklift, and the fourth is bulk material handling. Empowering customer network. Lineage offers customer access to the largest and most dynamic network of cold storage facilities in the world. Our network is strategically designed can efficiently reach consumers everywhere. To help clients achieve success both today and in the future, we are expanding our infrastructure and core market. We are bringing companies into the Lineage family to seamlessly connect to each supply chain dots to deliver the capacity to meet customer demand in key market. Thank you so much. That's all for me.
Now, now I'm going to present about in this section cold storage facility layout plan. That means a warehouse layout plan. A cold storage structure including a storage chamber for storing articles, the storage chamber including shielding a pair of side of wall and a bottom wall. At least both the side of wall and the bottom wall being forming the ground and each communicating layer arranged in the ground to surrounded at least the both sides. So each of the room got their own advantage. Meat frozen room, heat cold room, primary chilling, frozen room, and then freezing room. So some of the goods will be placed on the some of the room. So meat room will be the meat goods will be placed on the meat room. And then the flour will be freezed on the chiller. So warehouse layout is very important for our business. So next is the design of the cold storage warehouse. The main target in designing cold storage warehouse is to avoid unused space. Width of the doors should be designed by taking into account the size of forklift and pallet of the width of the corridor to enter easily. So next is according to the area of use of doors can be various types such as sliding doors or monorail doors or high door or flip flap door to easily open to access the warehouse for people's easy way.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ibtisamah. For the conclusion, logistics is an important aspect of supply chain management since it ensures that goods and resources get at their destination on time. A effective diesel logistics plan can take advantages of a number of benefits. The efficiency of your warehouse can be improved by increasing the number of items that can be moved through it. Moving, storing, managing, and protecting goods inside and of course facilities are all part of material handling operation. Material handling of equipment and machine is required to handle material correctly and to provide value to the material, the operator, and the environment. That's all from our group. Thank you.
That's all from us, Group 8. Thank you very much for listening our presentation. Thank you.